Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching.
In this video, we're going to replace the cabin air filter. The dash indicated that the AC air filter needed to be replaced. So we're going to do that and reset the code real quick. This air filter from O'Reilly's, that's the number. What you do, you come in, open the glove box. Heck, this thing's got two glove boxes. Not sure which one to open. Let's see here. It's this one here. Open this lower glove box. Take this panel out, which somebody had already taken out. You pull this latch on both sides. Lift that away. Now you pull the filter down and out. It shows you which way is up. That's the air filter. It's been catching dirt, as you can see. It's overdue change. Looks like it may have been a carbon filter, which is nice. Filter, take it out of the holder. Take the new filter, put it in the holder the same way. Make sure the airflow arrow on the filter is the same, and you can write on it. This way is up, but the airflow actually goes down. Alright, this does look like it's impregnated with carbon, which helps take out odor. Airflow arrow is down. You can also date it if you want, but that's really not necessary since you have a reminder on the dash. Now, if you date it, you'll know when it was installed, and you can also see if you need to replace them earlier. Because if you're in a dusty climate like we are in Albuquerque, those things may get dirty sooner than later. Get in there, push the clips on. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide it back in there, but I'm going to put a date on it real quick. There's my date, 01/2018. So this way goes up. So I slide this back in the compartment there. You push it up so that it's up as far as you can. You can see the blower motor under there as well. If you look at it real close, the blower motor is under the filter. This in there, snap it back in place. Then you want to put your panel back over the compartment so that it's in place. This panel actually looks like it's the wrong size. Oh, my bad. This panel goes here on the glove box. There it goes. So that slides there, the other panel's behind it. You're done with the installs portion. If you don't have any doors open like I do, you get the warning on the AC filter. So you hold the off button in for 4 seconds and you'll get a notice on the instrument cluster that it has reset it. So let's see if we can see that there. 2, 3, 4. Here it is. It reset. And you got the exclamation point up top. You should be good to go. Now when you restart the car, it won't say it needs a filter anymore. Trick with these cars, I don't know when they started this, but if you hold the unlock button in for several seconds, it will roll down your windows and open your sunroof. You just hold the unlock button, that stuff will start opening up, and you let it go when you want it to stop. 2, 3, 4. There it goes. They're coming down and it's coming open. Let it go and it stops. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.